we're playing clicky keyboard tower. This is really annoying, but our goal is to reach the top. And there are a lot of trolls here. Like this sound, so annoying. But I like the blue color actually, kinda. Space. Oh. Get up. How are they just going like that?
I'm trying to avoid them.
Oh. Oh my god, I fell. Unmute others. Oh, that's really helpful. Oh, I haven't turned shift lock on. Oh, there's ladders. That's helpful. I'm trying to avoid the... Oh no. It's so annoying.
I fell. Oh, I feel like there's a secret obby.
Is there?
Yeah, there is.
Ooh. What?
I mean, like, it's not a secret obby, but like a secret place. Oh my god, it's a trampoline. So you can jump so high.
Oh.
You can jump like so high. But you can't jump to the obbies because they're far.
Oh. And I have not introduced this person. Her name is Teddy. Well, not her real name. I just call her that because I like it. And she's kind of like a teddy. But yeah. Oh my god. She literally was gonna troll me. She was rude.
I'm on the part that I died on.
Troller literally tried to troll me, but she didn't. Huh. I see her right now. Imagine if I buy a smack and I can just smack her for revenge. That'd be real good.
What, does she have a snack or not?
No, she doesn't. I didn't even know you can have smacks in this game. Because I never played it before. How would I just do that? I didn't jump, but you had to jump, and I survived. Oh. More clickies.
This is so annoying, but so fun. And I'm not even halfway.
What? Asthma. It says asthma. It's not asthma. It's annoying. If someone comments, it is good, but oh my god, why? Ooh, lots of space, but still very annoying. Oh, there's parts where you can like skip the clicky. Oh no, another one. Yes, I probably can skip it. Another troll, but luckily there's no one trolling. So I could just like troll. Should I troll? Should I troll? Ha!
I don't know why.
I'm on the second troll bit, but now I'm not anymore. Imagine if I fell and that's my karma.
I think I'm higher than you.
You think?
Yeah.
Do you want to see where I am? Okay, I'm here. I think I'm higher than you.
Oh my god, you're higher than me, but I can literally see you. You're above me, like.
I don't see you anywhere. Oh, never mind. Oh, there's a team of bacons. It's just like a full club, but they're not dancing.
Yeah, I'm on the second troll bit.
It's a danceless club. Where are you? I don't see you at the... Oh, I see you! I see you!
Yeah.
Look, you're just jumping. Oh. I did not know there was a part like this. Oh no, more clickies. satisfying when you click them, but annoying, like very annoying. How do you? Oh, it's that. There's a real big semicircle here.
The thing is, you can't fall.
Wait, what? I just fell.
After running so far.
I literally fell all the way to the bottom. Wait, you can get these? Oh. Is
I
there
guess I'm more above you now.
Where's the secret place with the trampoline?
It's like near the entrance, and then like there's a place. That's just like a big walkway.
Big walkway? Where you walk through it? Oh, I see it. It's really.
How am I supposed to do this, mate? Oh, never mind. I am so high right now.
Oh my god, I almost managed. Honey keys. Okay, I don't have my shift lock anymore. Asthma.
I think I was supposed to say ASMR.
Maybe.
I almost just fell.
I fell. And beneath what? Ooh. Get away, anything. I'm gonna try beat my high score.
I'm so high right now.
Should I speed this up? Maybe. Ooh, should I troll someone? That'd be real funny.
Oh, real rude.
Yeah. Can I? Yeah, someone's trolling. I'm just gonna go in the other way. I wish you could get slaps.
Remember
Stop
when
it,
I said
girl.
If I could buy a set, I couldn't just sit there.
Yeah.
That's not the case.
If you had admin, you could like.
I almost just fell.
Oh my god! I'm definitely trolling people next time. When I was telling them to come, you're safe, they were like, I was jumping on the troll one, and they literally just trolled me. Like, I'm nice, girly.
They didn't know you're nice.
Yeah. I mean, I did troll once. But that doesn't mean I'm not nice.
Okay. I'm not nice.
Ooh, there's a troller called Lucy. I'm gonna get her.
I made it to. I'm on the end part.
How did they survive that?
I went all the way at the end.
There's a slap. Oh my god, I did not notice that. More people coming. Should I be a troller? Should I? I mean,
I just fell again. This is traumatizing. Like, I was almost at the end and I fell.
I'm gonna. Oh no, this is a troller, mate. That's a troller. Never getting past if you troll me. Oh, there's more people coming. Please don't slap me. I beg for mercy. Don't slap me. Imagine if someone just spies at me and slaps me if I drop them. Maybe I should just go to the top and then that's my goal. And then I end the video. Oh my god. I should just end the video here. Maybe.
I'm literally so close.
You're so close. Should I just be a troller and then end the video? That'd be really
I did it.
good. You did, Nobby? The full one?
The rainbow. Yeah, I did it all. Look.
Wow. Very nice.
Ha ha.
Wait, guys. In the comments,
I'm gonna spy on you.
on the comments, you can just comment what game I should play next, and then I'll play it and post it on YouTube forever, and totally not delete the video. I'm a troller. I'm a troller. I'm a troller. I'm a troller. Oh, mate, nah.
Did I just see you? Oh no, run it.
Oh, mate. Oh, mate. Mate.
I see you.
Don't you dare slap me. Don't slap me. Don't slap me. Don't slap me. Don't slap me. Oh. Alright. It's you. It's just you.
Wait, I'm gonna troll.
Yeah, Ella. Whoever tries to get through that way, just make their vision blind. And then when they go this side.
I'm behind the second one.
Not trolling, definitely. Not trolling, definitely. Definitely not trolling.
No.
How did she? She literally survived.
I saved myself from dying. Oh my god, I saved myself from dying again.
What the hell? What the hell? Ding, 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 ding. Troll me, so I troll them. No. Oh my god. Trollers get trolled and then they troll me again. That ain't fair. Well, I was a troller, so bye guys.